God has it been? It's been quite a long time. I don't know. It's been a minute. What's up, everybody? Man, it's actually a beautiful day out today. I woke up this morning and I was like, man, another crappy day. And next thing you know, it was 72 degrees and I was like, I'm riding the scoot. So here I am. I'm on the scoot. Yeah, man, it's been a while. What's up, Horse? Horse knows I'm on the scoot. It rained a little bit. So let's not go around one of these corners and try to drag a knee and I end up dragging off the damn road. That's the last thing I need, is me to fall off the scoot onto a ditch. Can't wait to explain that. So what were you doing? Dragging a knee? I was getting up in there. Ooh. I saw some dirt on that apex. So what's up, everybody? Speaking of, hope everybody's having a good day. I'm having I've had better days. I tell you right now, I am not in but in the situation that I'm in, I guess I can't complain. I really can't. So I'm gonna take it as a good thing, and hopefully, everything's gonna be all right. Have a dirt bike video to put up. Oh man, I'm gonna put up in this video today. I'm talking about dirt bike. So let's talk about that real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all probably like a 5-minute clip of me riding my dirt bike. I'm not trying to make this video too long, but I'm gonna try to put up like a 5-minute clip, maybe like a 3-minute clip of me riding my dirt bike on my dirt bike track. I have a video. I didn't think I had any. I thought, but I have 3. 2 of them are kind of like not that good, and the one I'm about to put up now, it's okay. I'm gonna talk about it a little bit before I actually put it up. Me riding my 2012 what was it, a CRF, a CR250F. No, a CRF250R. Oh man, I don't even know my bike. But yeah, this used to belong to Cody Shock. So I guess he sold it. Used to be his practice bike. I think I talked about it once before, but no one probably knows. No one probably remembers or anything like that. But it's alright. But it used to be his practice bike, and I bought it, and I loved it. It's very powerful, and it's a great bike. So y'all put together a pretty good damn bike, and I felt comfortable on it immediately. And yeah, it's very windy. So yeah, I like the wind. Like I was saying, the bike is it's very nice, very nice. I love it a lot. And this video, I watched it a couple times. The first time I watched it, I was like, dude, I did pretty good. I was ripping it, and then I watched it again after like a day, and I was like, I did okay. And there was a little fuck ups here and there, but you gotta think about like my track. It's all one rut. It's not all one rut, but it's all like one line and stuff like that. So I did pretty good. And it's a very hard packed track. It's not like what am I gonna say? It's not tilled or anything. It's all like it's hard to explain. Holy crap! Is that they put a new lake in? Oh, a new lake. That's a nice lake. I like that. Man, that shit got flooded. That's the bad thing about living in Delaware. It's so flat. Everything gets hit with that massive amount of water. Anyways, like I was saying, the dirt bike track, I'm about to put it up right now. So hopefully y'all like it. Let me know what y'all think. I know a lot of people are like, I don't care, Chris, ride the scoot, or yeah, why am I going so slow? But yeah, here is the video. So hopefully y'all enjoy. Here you go, enjoy. enjoyed that a little bit. It's a me riding, man. I haven't ridden like that in such a long time, man. I miss it so bad, but I don't know, man. I just can't wait to get back on the bike, you know. This summer I'm gonna fix it and get back on it and start, you know, just doing what I love to do, and that's ride dirt bikes or ride anything. I love riding this, but not as much as I love riding my dirt bike, man. It is, you know, it's probably my second favorite thing right now in the world. My first favorite thing, it's the squish. I have to say it. She's I'm talking about Megan. She's my favorite right now. I love being around her, talking to her, and even if it's just for 5 fucking minutes, I can put a smile on my face and everything is gonna be good. But anyways, yeah, dirt biking is. I can't wait to get back on the bike. Can't wait. Can't wait. Can't wait. Oh, can't wait. I'm trying to put myself in a better mood, but you know, it's alright. But yeah, talk about this clip. I might do some like audio over it, like me talking about like what's going on and like my feelings on like what's going on the track and stuff. But I don't know. I just have like I watched it a couple times. I didn't watch the whole thing through. I probably should, but I didn't. Oh well. But I might commentate on it because I have some pretty funny things to say about what's going on. So I probably commentated over it. If I didn't, then cause that's kind of boring if y'all just watching it. I might put some music. I don't know. Maybe music, commentary, maybe a little bit of both. Maybe I might put my nipples on there. I don't know. My nipples might go on. I don't know. Picture of my nips. Y'all want a picture of my my toes? Y'all want a picture of my toes? Oh man. But I just hope y'all enjoyed it a little bit. Something different on the channel. Like I said, this channel is not going to be mostly about the scoot. It's going to be about dirt biking and progressing my channel, and hopefully I can give, you know, a nice decent size of subscribers and views and be recognized on YouTube, and I can start doing this, you know, all the time. You know, I would love to do this all the time. Not make videos every day. I'm not doing that. Like make videos like twice a week. But I want to say thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. You know, let me know what y'all like. Hit that notification so you get that notification when I put that video up. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. I want to say thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Peace. 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 I said peace. I said peace. There's a truck behind me. He's probably like, what an asshole. Well, I'm trying to end my video, buddy. You have no tailgate. All right, y'all. Peace. Peace. Bye-bye.